is my first time traveling with Blaze, and I'm having an excellent time. Everything is curated. The food has excellent. She made wonderful choices. I'm so pleased. The welcome dinner was excellent. It gives people a chance to be themselves without too much rigidity.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Everyone's an individual that knows what they want. She gathered a group of professionals, and I love that.
Yeah.
And it's been so peaceful. I needed this.
Wonderful. And we met at the airport.
Yes, we did.
As soon as you got here,
yes.
we met, which was great. And you're still the same person. You're probably even better because you're like, no more rushing.
No more rushing.
Okay.
This has been excellent. I mean, look.
Would you come back?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right.
This is an excellent choice. It's a perfect time of year. There's not too many tourists.
Yeah, yeah.
She made good decisions.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you. The way I was treated on this trip was the luxury that I was expecting, that I paid for when I went to Ghana. And if you want to know how that went, it's still in my highlights. It's a long, tragic tale, I swear. She had our itineraries printed out, what we were doing each day and where, just laying on the bed for us when we ride, with our names on it, okay? She thought of it all. We had a little golf cart back to the hotel. Everything that carried us, she had it taken care of.
Okay, what I have enjoyed is meeting new people. I like the age differences that still come together, because it's not one of my fears in the beginning before talking to Blaze was the age range of the people that was coming. So when she told me, it was like, okay, because I'm not a turn up, let's go, So what I enjoy the most is that no matter the age range of the people that's here, everybody's very mature. Everybody's very respectful. The opportunity to move with the group as you please. You're not forced. Mm-hmm. You are invited. It's comfortable. And it's fun. It's never a dull moment. Everybody gets along great, so I love that. Yeah. I love the fact that Blaze communicates very well. Mm-hmm. I love the creation. This is my first time here.
Okay.
I would definitely come back. Good. And to be honest with you, I would even use Blaze as someone to make arrangements for me to come back. So that's just how much I've enjoyed everything that she has put together.
I think she's...
So this is my first time vacationing ever, a real vacation.
Wow.
I have enjoyed every single.
Yay! All right.
For my first trip,
mm-hmm.
This was awesome.
Okay.
This was awesome.
Yes.
The snorkeling I love because I love the water, right? I love to swim. Learned to swim at an early age. Okay, I love the water. The snorkeling was great. Okay. The arrival dinner was great.
Yes.
The singer, oh my gosh, the performer, had good energy. The people on the private island that we were at had great energy, right? The French native people. What else? Just hanging out with the people in Qtraveltribe. Let me make sure I say that right, because I've been getting to know the native people, not just touring at let's eat here and ride this and hop on a cart and tour that or whatever, but actually like just talking to the people, and they've been teaching me the history. Yes. Right? That's what's cool about the experience for me personally. And awesome. Outside of that, love the hotel. It's a great location with a great view. Love the view. The massage, I needed a massage. Our new tour is great. Food is delicious. I just had some water I've never had before. Natural.
Some
cucumber.
Yeah.
Yes. Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
Yes.
So, love it so far.
Yay.
Sign up.
Okay. Would you come back?
Definitely. I'll be back.
Oh, okay. I will be back.
I would say that this has been one of the best impromptu trips I've ever taken. It's a great group of women, so I was able to come and meet strangers but leave friends, so that's really great. The food is amazing, but you have to go to the right spots. If you guys come to Belize, I am ready for the next trip already. Okay. So if you have not been, or if you're considering coming on one of Blaze's trips, I would definitely say do it, because I didn't know I needed this, but it was great.
And
All right, guys, so like she said, my name is Melva. I'm the tour guide for the Belize Food Tour. It was my pleasure taking these ladies around. What can I say? It was a big group of 17, but it was great. They were fun. They had a blast. And the best thing, they enjoyed it and they left full, right? So that's the good part, okay?
Right.
It was an easy group. And I welcome you guys to join the group. It was fun to meet these ladies that don't know each other, but yet they get along great, okay?
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.